Hello friends! In this class, we're going to learn what do we tell people when we meet them late afternoon, when it starts getting dark, when we're getting ready to have dinner. Do you know what to say? So come with me and let's learn together. Hello friends! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night. Yes, we are still talking about greetings. And today we're talking about a time of the day when we say, when it's almost 6 o'clock in the afternoon. So after 6 o'clock, we can say something different. Instead of afternoon, we're going to say, the sun is setting, you see there? We're going to say good evening. The evening is coming. The night is coming. So we say good evening. You see? The kids are still playing and the sun is setting. It's evening time. The kids are playing and the sun is saying bye-bye. When the sun starts setting down, we can say evening time. So we say good evening. And you know, some people work and some people study at evenings. So they can say, good evening, Mrs. Ling is working through the computer. Good evening, Carl. It's evening. And when we are at our relatives or at home, we can say, hi, Sam, good evening. Hello, Aunt Becca. Good evening. That's how you greet people during this time of the day. Good evening. Usually we have our meals at evening time. It's around 7:10 in this clock and it's time for dinner. It's evening and it's time to have dinner. When you go to a restaurant, that's how the hostess or the waiter will welcome you saying, welcome to the restaurant. Good evening. Because we go have dinner at evening time. When we meet our neighbors and it's evening, we're going to say it. See the clock again? It's 7:10 at night, in the evening. So we say, good evening, Bobby. Good evening, Molly. When we invite our friends or relatives for dinner and they arrive, we say, good evening, everybody. And they probably respond, good evening. Now look at those 3 scenes I'm going to show you. Which 2 we can say good evening when the sun is setting down or already gone. Good job. You see, it's kind of dark outside already. So that's one. You say good evening. And that one too, you can see some stars already in the sky. So clearly it's not afternoon anymore. It's evening. So you say good evening. Good job. Excellent, actually. So in this class today, we learned how to say good evening. And evening, it's when the afternoon is gone, when the sun is going down, and it's time for us to have dinner, to start getting ready to sleep, to go to bed, right? But before we go to bed, before that time, we still say good evening. So, good evening to you if it's already evening where you are and the time that you're watching this class. Or good afternoon, good morning, good night. Bye-bye. See you next class. Bye-bye.